Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Matt's here, and today we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of what's inside the box. If you're reading the title already, you probably know what it is already. Alright, so let's get into cutting. Actually, no, the edit's fairly bad at cutting stuff. They do well this time. Just watch me fail. Alright. Let's see what's in here. So the first one is going to be the A4000. So I just want to thank Final again for sending these out for review. And the A3000. Right, fresh off the box. And let's get into it. And here we have the beautiful pair. So which one do you guys want to do first? Should we go for the A4000 or the A3000? Let's go for the A3000 first. So this is going to be the lower end model of the two. Let's just see the box a little bit. The front, obviously, is going to be the picture of the IEMs. So you have there A3000 Hi-Fi earphones by Final. And this is going to be in matte black. I don't know why they had to put that color. I actually don't know if they have different colors for these. All I know is that all the pictures I've seen so far is that the A3000 has a matte black color, and the A4000, it does come in a dark navy, which it actually says on the box. Yeah, boy. And I'm just gonna let you guys read that, whatever. So here we come down to the specifications. You have here the product code, the impedance, sensitivity, weight, and the cable length right there. So what comes in the box is going to be pretty much the main unit. This is actually pretty interesting that they actually put a 2-pin cable instead of the usual MMCX, especially for this body, which is the same as the A8000, which is their current flagship. So the case, I'm actually excited to see that one, because apparently it's metal with a rubber back. Then obviously the final E-tips, and the tips case, and ear hooks. Let me just put that on the side, and let's open this one up. Just take it out of the packaging before I actually unbox everything. Come on. For some reason that one was quite a bit tighter. So yeah, here it actually says there dark navy for the A4000. These are dynamics. So I think they're 6mm dynamic drivers in both of them. Pretty much the same what's on here. Yeah, the specs are almost similar except for the sensitivity. Yeah, the A4000 is quite a bit more sensitive actually. Not too much, just 2 decibels. But everything else is, yeah, pretty much the same. Put that one down and let us open this up. Alright. Let's see what else is in the box. Come on, it's quite a lot. My unboxings are always quite entertaining, aren't they? Oh! So you have some protective foam on the other end. So we have the final E-tips on a case. This is a very, very nice case. What do you think? You guys want to hear this? Put it closer there. You guys like that sound too? Oh, it's quite satisfying. Alright, so much mess now, but there it is. Oh, that is nice. And this is actually the ones with the colored inner rubber. And yeah, that's nice. That's a nice case. I should pretty much gonna use these now. So let me just put it there inside again. Just clear that garbage out. And now let's take a look at the actual case. And that's in there. Oh boy. Oh, that's where the hooks are. I don't know if I'm actually going to be using these, but might as well just try them out and see how they work. So, put that aside. Good. Now let's take a look at the actual case. Oh no, it's not. So it's actually a pure rubber, unlike the case for, I think, the B series. The B1, B2, and B3 have a metal shell. I think this one is purely rubber. On the A8000, obviously also has the metal one. You just open up like that. Let's see. I still kind of like it, but that's not really a lot of protection. But then again, they are on the cheaper side. And I am going to put the price somewhere here, as I actually forgot how much they were. Take them out of these. Alright. I actually really like this matte black. Again, matte black everything. A little MKBHD shout out there. Yeah, here you go. Final A3000. There's the left side. And on the right side, it says the exact same thing. And I actually like that there's a mesh on there. So cleaning it can be quite a bit easier. And it does come with a 3.5 jack. So just single-ended. Well, it doesn't really matter much since I do have balance cables. Since it's 2-pin, it's quite a bit easier as well. I have a few that I can try. Not that these necessarily need a balance cable, but yeah, I'm excited to try them out later on. I'll also be filming first initial impressions right after. And now time to open up and let's take a look at the A4000. Same deal. Oh, this one slides out a little bit easier. So it's pretty much exactly the same experience right here. I'm not really gonna bother taking that one out. I actually do have enough tips. I do use Final E tips quite a lot, and I do have a lot of them. But I transitioned to different tips now, so I'm also going to be doing quite a bit of tip rolling with these, and so it's exactly the same affair. So I'm just not gonna bother taking out everything else. So let's see. Yep, it's also the same rubber case. That is, even this one is very, it actually feels really thin. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that is a very thin rubber on the back. I don't know how much of it it'll actually support, but I guess it's good enough for the price. I kind of wished for a bit more, but hey, you get what you pay for, right? So I'm just gonna put that in. So it's pretty much exactly the same included accessories for both. You won't really need to see whatever is inside there anymore, but it is exactly the same case. This is how it is without anything inside, and this is how it is with the IEMs inside of it. All right, let's take a look at how the dark navy actually looks. So again, it's also a single-ended connector. And, wow, this is a lot stickier than the other one. There you go. You are free. And time for the left side. And you are also now free. But yes, man, this is also pretty nice actually. I'm not sure if you can tell the difference. Let's see. There you go. You can actually tell quite a bit of a difference. This is slightly lighter and does have the bluish shade. Well, it is dark navy, so almost quite the same. I do like the form factor. I like Final's shape for their A1000 series. Or just A series, really. This is actually nice. Not fingerprint magnets like the A8000 or the B series. Actually, the B series have a slightly different shape than these. I don't know which one I actually prefer, but maybe I'll get a chance to have those in for review as well, so you can have a thorough comparison of all of their lines. Final, can you do that for us here at Ear Fidelity? Thanks again, Final, for sending these out for me to review. So that is pretty much everything for the unboxing. I'll be filming my first initial impressions sometime this week, so you guys watch out for that one. Hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing since there's not really a lot of stuff to cover. So once again, this is Matt's for Ear Fidelity. Until next time, guys.